In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to change video resolution. So at first you need to open the camera app and then go to video mode, and here just tap on settings icon in left upper corner. And now under video you will find video quality and also video format. To change it, smoothly mark it and now pick the preferred option. So let me apply, for example, 8K. And as you can see, from now on you can smoothly record in this video quality. Obviously you can change the format as well, but let me pick the previous one, and now you can smoothly record in picked video mode, video resolution. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.